Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the difference between the while and do while loop in C programming. Now let us see the difference. First let us see the syntax of while loop. The syntax of while loop is like this. While is the keyword and we test the condition inside the brackets, and next we have an opening flower bracket. Then inside this we write the body of the loop and we close the while loop by closing flower bracket. So this is the syntax of the while loop. So next, do while loop syntax. So here first we use the keyword do and then opening flower bracket, then we write any statement and then we write the closing flower bracket, then after that we test the condition. So this is the do while loop. And now let us see the flowchart for while loop. In the flowchart, first we start, then we initialize some values and then we test some condition. If it is false, we stop. If it is true, it will get execute the body of the loop, and after execution of the body of the loop, it updates the value to at the starting point, and again it will start doing its repeated execution. So that is the flowchart of the while loop. Next, the flowchart of do while is like this. First start and then the body of the loop will get executed and then the condition will be checked. If it is true, again the body of the loop will get executed and until the condition is false. So once if the condition become false, so it is going to stop. So here the main difference you observed is, in the while loop, first the condition will be tested and then the body of the loop will be executed. But in case of do while loop, first the body of the loop will be executed, then the condition will be tested. So that is the main difference. And the one more difference is the condition is specified at the top. See here, the condition is specified in the beginning only. It means in the top itself. But here the condition is specified at the bottom. In the do while loop, the condition will be specified afterwards, after the execution of the statement. It means in the while loop, first condition will be tested, then the body of the loop will be executed. But in the do while loop, at least one time the body of the loop will be executed and then the condition will be tested. And the next difference is body of the statement executed when the condition is satisfied. So whatever the body of the loop is there, that will be executed only if the condition gets satisfied. But in case of do while loop, body of the statement executed even when the condition is false. It means at least before checking the condition, at least one time the body of the loop is going to execute it. And the while loop is also called as entry control loop, and the do while loop is also called as exit control loop. So I hope you understood. Already in the previous videos I have put the details of the flow chart, how to write the flow chart and all, so you can follow that video. Next, let us see an example for the while and do while loop. See, this is the while loop example. So I am writing the preprocessor directive first. Hash include stdio.h standard input output header file. So why we require this means, since we are standard input output header file means we are using printf and scanf predefined function. So that's why we are using this standard input output header file in the preprocessor directive. Then we know void main. Why we use main function means it is the entry point of the program execution. From the main function the program execution starts. Next, int x is equal to 1. This is the initialization, means we are assigning some value to variable. X is a variable of type integer and the initialization value is 1. And we are checking the condition while x less than 10. So what is the value of x here? 1. We will check the condition 1 is less than 10. Yes, 1 is less than 10. That's why it is going to execute hello. And then it will increments. So first time it will execute hello and afterwards again it will go back. After incrementing it will become 2. 2 is less than 10. So again it will execute hello for the second time. Again the next time when it incremented, its value is 3. 3 less than 10. So third time it will execute. Like the same, and up till 9 is less than 10. Until that it will execute 9 times. When it come incremented to 10 is less than 10, that condition become false, it will not execute. It will come out of the while loop. So this is how the while loop program is going to get execute. Now let us see how the do while loop executes. See here in the do while, so here also we have initialized some variable I of type integer to 1, and we have do keyword, and then printf high will be executed one time, and then it will incremented. So until I is less than or equal to 9, the statement is going to get executed. It means first time high will be executed, and then until this condition is false, again and again it will be executing. So first high will be executing again until I is less than or equal to 9. It means, so this number of times it is going to get executed. So you can execute these two programs by using any of your C programming editors like Turbo C or CodeBlocks. Then check the respective output for this, so you'll come to know the difference. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please share to your friends also. Spreading knowledge is very important and it adds the value. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.